Alright, today we are gonna cook wild white clam and shell. So I picked this up at the Korean grocery store for about $2, and I'm not sure the exact name of it since it's in Korean, but it's a white clam shell. It might be similar to like Manila clams, but I'm not really sure. I've never had this one before. I did have like a similar version, similar type of it, but it was like black shell. This one is white. So anyways, we're gonna cook this up. I'm gonna prepare the ingredients right now, and then we're gonna cook it up. Alright, guys. Alright, so here are the ingredients. We're gonna use some fresh tomatoes, green onions, some purple onions, and garlic. That's all we're gonna need. Salt, pepper on the side, that's for sure. That's all we need, guys. So let's get ready to cook it. Alright, first thing we want to do, guys, is put some oil in this pan. Let's got a medium here. Not too much. Our garlic and the purple onion. And it's okay if it's not heat up. Just let it kind of flow here, and while it's heating up, it'll cook. And we'll put in our white clam shell. Now again, the white clamshell is already cooked, so all we're doing is really just adding flavors, and that's pretty much it, just adding flavors to it. There we go. Good now. Oops. Jump. Okay, as soon as you start to heat up, let's fry it around. Now we don't really want to brown these, kind of like right before it gets starting to get brown, and then we'll add the white clam. Right here, we're gonna add the white clam. Now, since this is previously frozen, it's gonna have some. So the ice is gonna melt, which is gonna make it kind of soupy, which I like. It's still frozen, and it's okay because we're going to cover it up right now. And right before we cover it up, we're going to go ahead and just add some salt and pepper. And now it's pepper. And salt. Now you can add some other type of spices. With some basil leaves. That one that's already cut up. We're gonna go ahead and just cover it, and we're gonna let it. Well, it's already cooked, but we're gonna let it let all the ice melt. As you can see, it's starting to really boil up, melting all that ice rice frozen, slowly. And it's okay. And it's okay. Alright, let's check out what it looks like now. And it looks like most of the ice are melted. Just a couple more here. Yeah, we can probably turn up the heat a little bit higher. As you can see, some of the shells have already opened up, so, which is a good sign. Right here, we can probably, here we can now add the rest of the ingredients. Okay. And I've got some green onions. I love green onions, guys. And then some tomatoes. Well, a lot of tomatoes. Half a tomato. And we're gonna go ahead and, you know what, we're gonna put a little bit more pepper in there. Just a little bit more pepper. Now, I mean, it's an optional. You could put some garlic salt in there too. And also, if we have vinegar, I would totally put vinegar, but we don't have any vinegar. We got a little bit of cheese. Just a little bit of fish sauce. A little bit of fish sauce in there. Alright, so now we're just gonna let it boil, and then as soon as it's boiled all the way, it should be done, guys. Close this up. Okay, let's stir it up all the way and get some of the tomatoes in there. And get all the food. Oh, I smell it. It smells pretty good, guys. It smells pretty good. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna let it boil. It's been cooking now for almost a couple of minutes, and it's pretty much there. I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure there's nothing frozen. Nothing is frozen. I'm gonna go ahead and just lower the heat. Let it cook for about a couple more minutes, guys. A couple more minutes. We're not even gonna cover it. Just gonna. Alright guys, so that's pretty much done. So that's how fast we can, this is how fast these type of frozen seafood cooks. I mean, they're already cooked, but you can add different type of ingredients. You can make it. You can pretty much add anything you want. It depends on what type of taste you're looking for. So, anyways, guys, again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.